here we are, starting off the day good. Our first attempt to go, we're actually going to go fishing. Everything's flooded, so that's impossible. But we'll try to go later on. So we just thought we'd try these old train bridges here. We're right next to UMES University, East Shore, Maryland. So bear with us. We'll have some fun. Ooh. This thing, see it right here? It's one of those. We'll attempt this together. Nope, yep. Artifact. That's old too. Right there. My first piece for today. Hopefully that's in view. Neat little hook on it. Suspicious indeed. Huh. Very old area. This was a Civil War camp here. There wasn't fighting or anything like that around here. Just a camp for training and stuff. Way before the college was open. Fun fact for today. Coming up. Okay. Train track plate. After all this time, I guess maybe the broken news booth. Huh. But there, success, as the Stooges would say. Grappling hook. That bridge, is that 1911 on the bridge there? I think it is. Yeah. I don't know what this rig is here. There's train track holding up this little wall, and there's this little area here. I don't know if there's a walkway underneath the track at one point or what. This is our first time using our little grappling hook. Yeah. Might just want to swing it on it there. Yeah. Let go of that joker. Just don't hit me. There we go. Success. Well, loop it over. I don't care. I can take a beating.
You don't care when
What do you mean yank it once it's hooked on me? There's some branches and trees in here we've hung into, so we might catch into that too. But he's right in the area now. Let's see that. I was trying to get the best perspective. Oh, especially there. Alright, he's got her. Getting ready. Oh.
It's not going to hold on to it.
Yeah, I think I need to temper those barbs a little bit and give them a little more hook to them. You're getting ready to get some branches there, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you don't care, do you? You want to pull something in.
I do.
Instant hook.
Oh, yeah. Oh, well, that was...
Hey, come on. That don't make no sense.
Oh.
There's a tree moving. There she is. If we get that out of there, that'd be great.
I'm going to need help with this.
Just walk that way. That way.
No, I'm going to need help.
Can you drag it off to the side?
I can't, no.
Oh. You're a video man. I'll swap you. Keep my phone out from over the water though.
Yeah.
Alright.
Can you get it? Yeah, it came off. If you have anything like this at home, then yeah, I guess don't try it. You could become Batman, I guess. Well, looks like you got it.
Trust me, I'm doing my share to get the video out sometimes. Of course, that was before video.
I actually kind of want to try and drag it out.
Round 2. He's not happy. He wants it out of that water. Yourself stringing. No sharding. There we are. I got a treasure. Yeah. That's a piece of iron ore. There's no doubt. It's gritty. But yeah, I think we'll find plenty of these. Like I said, I found quite a few with a metal detector over there along that edge. I went from here just about all the way to the Minokian Bridge by the Presbyterian Church. And in a little ways in the swampy areas. And I actually found some goodies in there. Indian head penny from 1890. And a bunch of round balls, which I believe to be Union soldiers, I guess, that were camped here. That's all it was, like a little teeny training camp or something. They had several of them up and down the railroad tracks. That way is north to Salisbury, Virginia, that way. Alright, get rid of this and we'll be back in there in just a second. Alright, number 2, same spot. Still trying to get whatever that is down there. There's a bunch of stuff right there, a lot of it. Wash machine, I don't know, we're gonna get it. And there we have it. The slam for today. Red shadow. Oh. Okay, there you have it. The victors for the day. Comment.